Hi and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm doing a quick and lazy style because the wash and go I did the day before was a total flaky fail. I washed my hair with these products right here and my hair felt great. If you run out of towels, you can dry your hair with a cotton t-shirt. All my hair towels were in the wash because I wasn't expecting to do my hair again so soon. I separated my hair into 3 sections so I wouldn't have a middle part. So I used this moisturizer that you see right here, and then I followed with the blue gel from Curls that you'll see shortly. This gel defined my curls very well. I've actually used it for wash and goes before, and that's why I couldn't find it in my first twist out video, because it came with me on vacation and was still in my suitcase with my bathing suits stored away. So here you see me starting to braid because I planned on braiding, but I realized that it would be too much work for me, so I flat twisted instead. If you would like to see a closer look on how I flat twist, click up top for my twist out video. I'll also leave the link in the description box. Please excuse my funny faces. I was FaceTiming my 2-year-old nephew. Okay, so I did the 3 flat twists back. I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and I'll be back when it's all dry. I might wear it like this tomorrow, so it might not be tomorrow, but once it's dry and I'm ready to take it down, I'll be back to do it with you. And these are twists, not braids, flat twists. I was going to braid, but my finger wanted to twist, and I do what my fingers want because that's what makes life easier. You go with the flow. We'll be back. So make sure you watch part 2 to see my results. Please like, subscribe, and I thank you for watching. Till next time.